Ready? There goes.
I want to ask you to go back in history a little bit. Back in 1967, your father set a groundbreaking, what was then a groundbreaking standard in American politics. He released his tax return. He released them for not 1 year, but for 12 years. And when he did that, he said this: 1 year could be a fluke, perhaps done for show. When you release yours, will you follow your father?
You coming?
Maybe.
There's my boy. Oh, you didn't bring it all the way back. Can you bring? Oh, that was close though. Come on, up. Up, 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 up. Want to try another one? Ready? Oh, that was a bad one. I'm sorry.
Very anxious to see if they can't make it more difficult for a campaign to be successful. I know the Democrats want to go after the fact that I've been successful.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, let's try it again. That was a bad throw. Here it is. Ready? There it goes.
And that's why I want to release these things all at the same time.
Here you come. Here you come. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Look at you. You are such a good boy. Ready? Here goes another one. Ready? There goes. Are you tired? We'll try another one. Maybe you just want to rest, huh? Okay, I'm going to throw the yellow one. There goes. Are you done? You going to bring it? You pick it up again? There you go. Oh, that's all the farther, huh? Okay. Good boy, though. Good boy. Good boy.